Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. We are cooking up a lesson on being a leader today using these items on the counter. Are you curious? Then you're going to want to stick around because today we are talking about different kinds of leaders. What kind of leader are you? Are you a builder or a bulldozer? Being a leader is not the same thing as being bossy. We all know people who think it's okay to boss other people around. Bossy leaders are like bulldozers. They try to use their power and fear to push other people around and get them to do what they want them to do. They also like to make all the decisions by themselves, and so they don't want anybody to get in their way. Leaders who are like bulldozers have a hard time making and keeping friends because they spend more time knocking people down and less time building people up. Other leaders are more like builders. Builders have lots of friends because it feels really good when you spend time around them. But that's not by accident. Builders take time to actually build friendships and build relationships. They do this by listening to people and showing interest. They also use their words and actions to build people up by complimenting them and working together with them and encouraging them. Leaders who are builders provide good examples for other people to follow. All leaders sometimes have to solve problems or make decisions for the group. And that is a lot easier to do after you build a trusting and caring community. So how about you? How can you be a leader who helps to build a caring school community?
I can build a caring community by inviting others to play.
I can take time to notice what others do well and compliment them.
I can set a good example by remembering to use manners.
Do you want to be the type of person that draws people to you? Or do you want to be the person who knocks people down and pushes them away? Be the type of leader that you would like to follow and see what this can do for you. I'll see you next time.